Meet Stevie and Wanda. Stevie only has use of one eye and Wanda is completely blind, but they don't let that bother them. Stevie helps Wanda find her food and never leaves her side. If you'd like to help Stevie and Wanda, and all the other cats here at Iris's Cats in Need, please donate today. Your money makes a real difference in getting these cats the urgent medical attention they so desperately need. Please visit our crowdfunder page and donate today to help transform a kitten's life. Thank you.